disappointed. So that was Hartland Quay, cool little place. Somebody out there swimming, wild swimming, formerly known as swimming. A few little shops, a hotel, a bar, and a toilet. A really nice, clean toilet, which is a real welcome break when you've been walking. You know what it's like when you get caught out when you're hiking or walking the coast path. You know, there are ways of doing it, but a nice, clean toilet was my preferred method today. And if you get lucky on the coast path, they even add a condom machine for you. You never know. You've got to cover all eventualities, haven't you? Quite literally. I'm a little disappointed. I don't want to appear hard to please, but I don't know. I think after the mountain waterfalls in Wales, I expected crystal clear water, and it's a bit brackish and brown, and I'm going swimming later. I don't really fancy going in this. It's not drawing me in.